Here I am again with another skincare product review video. Yay! So today I'm going to be reviewing the Lactic Acid Serum. I'm beginning to think I'm a hoarder of skincare products because why do I have this many? Although this one is almost out. Can you see? Can you see where this one is at? I'm almost out of this one, but I got backup. Anyway, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another skincare product review. So today, as you can see from the caption and from the thumbnail, I will be reviewing this product, the FaceFacts Lactic Acid AHA Serum. I'll be telling you all about my experience from using this product and what you can expect if you choose to purchase this product after watching this product review, right? Yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah, so what is lactic acid? So lactic acid is a form of alpha hydroxyl acid. That is the group of exfoliating products that people typically use to make skincare products, right? But the unique thing about lactic acid is that it's made from plant-based derivative. I'm speaking BB English. It's made from plant-based derivatives, right? Like milk products. Now, what are some of the things that lactic acid does for the skin? First of all, it gently exfoliates the skin, so it provides gentle exfoliation by degrading dead skin cells and getting rid of it so that they just fall off and fade out of your skin, allowing your new skin growth, right, to be on the surface of your skin rather than a dull dead skin particle. Another thing that lactic acid serum, especially this one, did for me was to provide me some hydration, right? It provides gentle hydration to the skin, unlike other exfoliating products that give this feeling or this sensation of stripping your skin of moisture. This one kind of like adds like a gentle hydration in a way to your skin. Another thing that lactic acid does for the skin is that it treats hyperpigmentation. Like with consistent use over time, you begin to notice that your post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation marks, your dark spots begin to clear out of your skin. Another thing that lactic acid also does is that it contributes to eliminating wrinkles and fine lines from your skin. So you can see it's not just exfoliation that this product does. Lactic acid is like a powerhouse product that can revitalize your skin and, you know, rejuvenate it, giving it a youthful, plumpy and glowing look like mine. Oh my god. So I had to take a break because I'm joking too much in this video today and I seriously need to film some videos. So another thing I want to mention also about lactic acid for skincare products, right, is that it contributes to reducing acne and breakouts. Because of the exfoliating that it does for the skin, right, it sort of cleanses your pores and prevents acne. Is there anything like acne? Messy acne's. It prevents, oh my god, my nail just broke off. It prevents your skin from forming acne and from you having breakouts that frequently if you consistently use this product. How do I recommend you use this product from my experience? So from my experience, right, if you are new to using lactic acid, I think that this FaceFacts, the concentration of the lactic acid at 3%, focus, yes, at 3%, lactic acid is safe enough for people who are new to using you know, chemical exfoliants, people who have sensitive skin, and if you know you are reactive to other forms of chemical exfoliation like glycolic acid, salicylic acid. Lactic acid is one safe form of exfoliating ingredients that you can introduce into your skin. Now I like that this concentration is 3% because it will ready or I doubt that it will irritate anyone, because it's sort of like a safe concentration of lactic acid that anyone's skin can tolerate. I mean, my skin tolerated it without any overreaction or breakout or irritation, and so I know that it will be very good for those who find that their skin sort of doesn't tolerate a lot of new products, and especially exfoliating products, right? Another thing also is on the packaging, it says you can use it both morning and night. I personally disagree with that. I use it only at night, and that's because lactic acid is sensitive to sun, right? And if you use it in the morning, there's a possibility that it can increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and so your skin is going to look darker and look burnt, and your dark spots are even going to get worse. So I do not even want to risk, I did not want to risk that at all, so I only used it at night. Now, even though it's just 3% lactic acid, right, you have to gently introduce it into your skin, and so I started by introducing it gently, like using it once in a week, watching how my skin reacted to it. Fortunately, there was no worrying or alarming reaction, and so I started using it twice a week, and now I'm able to like use it 3 times a week, or even as often as I want to use it. But generally I try to stick to using it 3 times a week, because it does no harm to my skin, and my skin sort of enjoys the product. If you are introducing this product into your skincare routine, I would recommend, 1, use it at night. 2, you might want to patch test. Like I told you in my other videos, I tend to do my patch tests around here, because I realized that when I patch test on my body, the result I get is different from when I finally introduce the product to my face. So I do my patch test by applying it either here or here, just to my jawline, and watch how my skin reacts by the following morning. So you might want to patch test before you go all into using it, although I doubt that even though you do not patch test, it's going to affect your skin in any way, because of the concentration of the lactic acid, and beyond even the 3% that it contains. By the way, their products are contain as much as 5% lactic acid. Some contain, I think I've seen up to 8%. I can't remember the name of the product right now, but I think I've seen higher than 5% lactic acid. And besides that, that for this FaceFacts product, the concentration of the lactic acid is tolerable. Lactic acid generally is a milder form of alpha hydroxyl acid compared to the other types of chemical exfoliating base products that you would find in the market. So I already talked about all the great and amazing benefits that you would enjoy from using a lactic acid product, but I didn't sort of tie it to this particular FaceFacts lactic acid serum, right? All of those benefits, gentle exfoliation, clearing hyperpigmentation and dark spots from your face, sun marks and all those kind of things, gentle on the skin, providing some form of hydration and moisturizing. I don't want to say moisturizing, but because it's gentle, it doesn't dry out your skin, right? So those are some of the things you would enjoy from this skin. It reduces your acne breakout, especially with consistent use, right? Because like I said, it pulls out dead skin cells, which prevents your skin from, you know, breaking out and having all of those acne things. Now, what are some of the things that you would not enjoy about using this product? From my experience, honestly, there is none. Yes, there's nothing in terms of side effects or bad things I noticed when I was using this product. The only thing which I never did was using it in the morning and going out under the sun. So like I said, lactic acid can increase sun sensitivity, so that's the only thing I think you need to look out for. And then the concentration, if you have highly sensitive skin that can easily get burnt and irritated, you may need to introduce it carefully. But like I said before, because it's only 3%, that's a safe enough concentration that sensitive skin girls or guys can easily tolerate. Now, if you want to introduce lactic acid into your skincare product and you don't want to do it in the form of a serum, there are products that also contain lactic acid. You can also get moisturizers that contain lactic acid, so that you can get the benefits of a gentle exfoliation, of gently clearing out dead skin cells, of clearing your hyperpigmentation through another product. So how do I use it? Personally, what I do is, when I get out of the shower, I apply it to my dry skin. I do not apply it to wet skin like I do, or damp skin like I do with my ceramide and my hyaluronic acid. No, I actually wait for my skin to dry down and then I apply it directly on my skin. Some other times when I'm feeling like I'm not sure of how my skin is behaving today, I use my ceramide serum as the base before applying, and allow it to dry completely before applying the lactic acid serum. Now, something I need to warn you guys of about using this lactic acid is that whenever I use it, I don't pair it with any other product. No benzoyl peroxide. That will be the only active in my skincare routine that night. So try not to mix it with any other products, because you just can't tell how your skin is going to react to it, right? So just keep your lactic acid serum for lactic acid nights. Don't try to overdo and start introducing retinol, benzoyl peroxide, azelaic acid, tranexamic acid. No, don't overdo it. Just apply your basics, your hyaluronic acid serum and your lactic acid, or just go in with your lactic acid serum. Mercy, what's wrong with you today? Your lactic acid serum, let it dry down and then go over it with a moisturizer, and you're off to bed. You can even apply some lip gloss like I always do, and then you'll be good for the night, and your skin will wake up looking better than it did the previous day. I don't think I've missed anything from this review. For dullness and uneven skin tone, yes, it also does that. It generally improves the appearance of your skin, makes your skin look brighter, because of course it's exfoliating and removing your dead skin cells. So your skin has no choice but to reveal the newest version of itself. Yeah, so yes guys, that is that on the FaceFacts lactic acid serum and my experience using this product. I hope you've enjoyed using it. Let me know if you relate to what I've said so far about this product. Oh, I forgot to say one thing. How much is this product? 5,000 naira. Cheap, affordable. But guys, I guarantee you, if you want to see results in your skin, try this product. If you are having skin that looks like, that it's not your real skin, right? That it's like your glory is hidden underneath a layer of dead and dull skin, try this product. Just 5,000 naira. It's affordable, and I promise you it's going to work for you, especially if you have sensitive skin. I promise. If it doesn't work, come to my house. I'll drop my address. I'm kidding, but I promise you it's going to work. Okay, so let me know, those of you who have used this FaceFacts lactic acid, what your experience is, if you can relate to what I've said, and if it has helped improve your skin. And let me know if you're going to try it out if you have never done that before. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.